I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shifting the slats to the stack and supporting the headrail. This prevents it from dropping. Use a flat screwdriver to pry off the end cap or end clip. Work from the exposed end toward the center. Once the cap is loose, slide the headrail slightly to free the faulty carrier clip. Make sure to keep small screws and parts in a tray. Parts are easy to lose. This first step opens access to the carriers so you can replace the clip safely and steadily. With the headrail exposed, remove one vane hook from the broken carrier so it clears. Inspect the carrier type, hook, pin, or snap fit, so you match replacement orientation. Grasp the carrier and either slide it out or depress its retaining tab depending on model. Once removed, align the new clip the same way the old one sat. Push until you hear or feel a click. Test by rehanging the vane hook. If it glides and stays level, you installed the clip correctly and can move to reassembly. After installing the new carrier, slide the headrail back into its mounting and snap or screw the end cap / stop in place so the headrail cannot shift. Slowly operate the wand or cord to rotate and traverse the slats. Observe the replaced vane for smooth travel and correct alignment. If the vane tilts or detaches, pause, remove and check clip orientation for reversed fit, clear debris from the track, or replace the neighboring carrier if worn. Once motion is smooth, run a full cycle to confirm lasting repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.